Eyelid Disorders. Introduction. Eyelids protect the eye from injury. Select true or false. Correct. Your eyelids help protect your eyes. Anne has been noticing that it is hard for her to read or look at a computer screen. Her eyes have been twitching and are sensitive to light. She also has some eye redness. Should Anne contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Anne may have an eyelid disorder. She should contact her healthcare provider to find out what is causing her symptoms. Blepharospasm can affect a person's ability to see. Select true or false. Correct. Daily life can be greatly affected by this condition. Blepharitis can return after it has been treated. Select true or false. Correct. Blepharitis is an ongoing condition. It can return after it has been treated. Can only one type of cancer affect the eyelids? Select yes or no. Correct. More than one type of cancer can affect the eyelids or the eyelid skin. Thank you for using Explain.